James Melendez, James the Tech Guy. Thank you for coming by. I'm going to show you how to change your video that might be in slow motion to a regular motion speed video. Stay tuned. I'll give you how I did this and some implications and things that I discovered along the way that you should know about. Stay tuned. I have an iPhone 13 Pro, and this phone is something that I have plenty of space on it, so there's nothing that I think would change the behavior of the video recording, but it did. Also, I always have the latest iOS, so I made no changes on the iPhone recording itself, and so all I did is my usual recording mode, and suddenly I get this. So you see this video 3 minutes and 33 seconds. You can click on this and see it's 10 minutes and 58 seconds. Well, I never recorded 10 minutes and 58 seconds for this particular video clip, so that's very obviously incorrect. And so when you play this, you'll see that this is going to be in a slow motion mode. Now, the beginning portion is fine.
Series New World producers, they use the word off.
Now, that is something that I wish it was throughout the whole video. So get more information, hit Command I. Command I is going to show you this is 1.06 gigabytes. That's huge. This is only a 3-minute video, and so that shouldn't be as large as it is. But the recording format took it in as such, and even if you change it, and I'll show you how to change that in a moment, it's still not going to matter. I did find another video on how to change your setting in iPhone. That's great. It'll definitely make that change and play in regular speed. However, if you bring it to Apple Photos, you'll still have this problem, and it'll still be at the 10-minute and 58-second mark, which is not what you want. So what you're going to have to do on this is go to Edit. Then in Edit, you're going to see these lines here. You want to see this, the very closely aligned lines. That's meaning that this is regular speed. These that are spaced apart, great signifier showing that this is in slow motion. What you have to do is take the edge of this bar, and I always go from one end to the next. And then I can hit done. Now you're going to see that this clip is actually where it needs to be, 3 minutes and 33 seconds. 3 minutes and 33 seconds here, so I know that's fine. And you're going to see the speed is exactly where it was, 1.06 gigabyte. Now, I can't make a change on that because that's how it was recorded, and that was the mode that it was under. All I can do in this video is take it for what it is and then edit. I always put this to my desktop, and then I put this to Final Cut Pro. But in this regard, I cannot make that change. I'd rather do that than re-record this video, and so that's what I'm going to do here. Now, the only change that I have made on my iPhone is I turned it on and off, and that seemed to solve the problem right now. If I find out other issues or other ways to solve this, I will definitely do an update to this video and share this on my channel, James the Tech Guy. I really don't want this to happen in the future, and it's interesting that this happened. I guess maybe I had to do several thousands of videos, which I've done over 3,000, in order to encounter this problem. I never made a change on my recording. I generally don't record in slow motion, and so that was a very annoying thing to have happen. So you may have had this happen to you. It's hard to find a solution, and harder to find a solution. I don't find one video that talks about this particular issue, and that's why I am doing this video, so that you can quickly find the solution, move on, and then get things hopefully situated on your iPhone. And the only thing that may work is turning it on and off, and obviously keeping it up to date with the latest iOS, which I always do, and I'm sure you do as well. So thank you for watching. More videos to come on tips, tricks in the technology world. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon.